In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a loan on Lazada using home credit. Step 1. Prepare your documents. A valid government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license, an active mobile number and email address, proof of income if home credit requests it, and a Lazada account in good standing. Step 2. Browse on Lazada. Open the Lazada app or website. Pick the item you want to buy. On the product page, check if home credit is listed as a payment option. Step 3. Select home credit at checkout. Add the item to your cart, then head to checkout. Choose home credit under payment methods. Review the loan details, interest rates, monthly installments, and repayment period. Step 4. Complete the loan application. Fill in all personal and financial information. Upload necessary documents like ID, income proof, and etc. Carefully review the loan agreement before hitting submit. Step 5. Wait for approval. Home credit will assess your application. You might get a call or SMS for verification. Approval can be instant or might take a few hours. And lastly, Step 6. Finalize your order. Once approved, your Lazada order will be processed. Repay the loan based on the schedule set by home credit. Important reminders: always provide correct details to avoid delays or rejection. Never lie about your financial information. It may lead to denial or legal issues. Fully read and understand the loan terms before agreeing. And finally, never share personal info publicly or with unverified sources. And that would be all for this video. I'll see you on the next one.